Good morning students. Now I'll teach you how to make square pyramid. So I have taken a square pyramid base as 5 centimeter and height also 5 centimeter. Let us see how we can make it. As it has base is 5 centimeter. So first I'll draw the square of 5 centimeter side. Now the slant height also 5 centimeter, so I'll take 5 centimeter. So I have drawn 4 equal triangle taking 5 centimeter as side. So here A, B, C, D 5 centimeter. Now I'll connect like this. So 4 side, 4 equal triangle. Now border, for each triangle we have to make one border taking 1 centimeter width. So here drawing border is completed. Now I'll cut the figure. I'll remove the extra portion from the figure. I removed. So still more there. You have to remove like this. Now I'll fold the sides and border. So now see when we'll paste the all sides. Look at this. So this model can be used as a mathematical model and head of the robot and many more. Thank you.